consider scientific pictures?
To some extent, some of the issues raised by the use of scientific pictures resemble some of the issues raised by the use of non-scientific pictures. What's unique about the use of pictures to illustrate scientific testimony is that often the testimony is being presented by experts, and what they have to say is just not readily intelligible to an audience of lay people. When an expert uses a picture to help illustrate his or her testimony and to help the audience understand what would otherwise be maybe too complex, too arcane to understand, there's a mutual dynamic going on. On the one hand, the expert needs the picture so that the jurors will understand the testimony. But on the other hand, given the nature of some of these scientific pictures, the jurors also need the expert to help explain the picture.
Many scientific pictures don't look like any world that people have experienced, so that they are not using the vocabulary that we think of when we talk about the rhetoric of the real.
The jurors have to draw on their own common sense of pictures, what that picture looks like based on what they've seen in magazines or on television or wherever, and thereby runs the risk of importing into the interpretation of the scientific picture all kinds of other cultural associations that the expert may not have intended.